guys, Jose here from Three Pillar Self-Defense. Today we're going to be going over how to throw the jab and the cross both to the head and to the body. Come join us.
Alright, in this first clip I'm going to be demonstrating how to throw the proper jab. Notice it's a full extension coming straight off my chin. I'm stepping with my lead leg, also using my back leg to propel me forward. I'm snapping my punches and bringing them right back to my chin, right to where it started. All right, don't throw your punches and then bring your hand lower or higher. Bring it right back to where it started. All right, now we're going to be transitioning into the cross. This time I'm pivoting with my back leg. Power is coming from my hips, doing full extension and coming right back to my chin, right to where it started. Okay, now moving on to the bag. Full extension, stepping into my punches, turning from the hips, punching all the way through the bag. Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating how to throw the jab to the body. Notice I bend my knees, I step forward, just like if I was hitting in the head. I'm going to drop my weight, and I'm going to bring myself to the level of my opponent's body. Again, stepping into the punch, turning from the hips and coming straight off the chin. Now the cross. Same thing, except this time it's my back leg that's pivoting and I'm turning from the hips as well. Right here, throwing some punches to the head, some to the body. Same thing with the cross to the head, cross to the body. Full extension, bringing it right back to my chin.